welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing Chinese chili oil. So this is a very quick and easy recipe to make it. So guys, I'm telling you step by step how to make. So let's begin. So guys, I have got cinnamon stick ½ inch, cloves about 10 to 12, green cardamom about 10 to 12, black cardamom is 2, whole black pepper ½ teaspoon, ½ teaspoon of coriander seeds, ½ teaspoon of the cumin seeds, Anise Stars 3, bay leaves about 3, white vinegar 3 tablespoons, chili flake 200 gram, salt 3 tablespoons, sesame seeds 3 tablespoons, raw peanuts 100 gram, and oil ½ liter. So first I'm taking small fry pan and it already is gas on. When it's warm little bit, then I'm going to put the peanut butter. So guys, if you want to take already roasted peanuts, you can use this wall, but I have got only raw, so I need a roast little bit. I'm going to roast little bit brown till brown because it's very easy to take off this skin. So guys, you can see is the color change already. So you can see so you can take off the skin easily. We don't need to make very brown or burn. So after 2-3 minutes roast, then I'm going to off the gas and let it cool down a little bit. So after cool down, then we need to take off the skin. So guys, our peanut is ready. So next I'm going to mix all together first. So I'm going to add sesame seed in the chili flake, roasted peanuts, and salt. Then mix all together first. So salt you can put according to your taste. I just put 3 spoons only, tablespoons. Next is I have got very deep fry pan. Just add the oil first. Then straight away going to add all spices, whole spices. So guys, you can see this oil is not very hot, so I put all spices all together. So we need to make very hot the oil. So let it warm with all spices because we need a flavor. So guys, you can see the oil getting hot. So all spices smell is amazing, beautiful. So guys, you can see the spices is not ready yet. So still we need to cook till the cumin seed fry. We need to make a little bit brown. Nearly done. We don't need to make very black or brown. Otherwise you can smell it, the burn spices oil. The oil is boiling hot, so very careful. Then I going to gas off. Then we're going to put straight away. Then magic will be start. Then I'm going to put like that. Mix together. You see how beautiful looks. Then in the very end I'm going to add the vinegar for long lasting. When it's little bit together. And let it cool down before you put in any bottle or any jar. So guys, this is a Chinese chili oil ready. So you can eat with chapati, roti, noodles or chow mein or fried rice with anyone. This is the very delicious or very easy recipe. So I'm going to let it cool down first. So guys, it's cooled down now. So I'm going to put in the jar. So you can save this chili oil at least 6 months, and you can keep outside as well. So guys, this is the Chinese very spicy hot chili oil. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope everyone likes my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye.